Hello dear student, welcome to the next video of the solution series. Today I will explain you the solution of the question number 34. Myself Aman Thakur, you can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel where you can find playlist of the PYQ solutions. In the playlist, you can see complete video solution of the class 12th maths question papers. In our playlist, I have explained all the questions in detail with the tips and tricks. So first of all, we discuss the quick revision of the concept. Today question on the shortest distance between two lines. In the question, two equation of line are given. Like this equation of the line x minus a1 by b1 is equal to y minus a2 by b2 is equal to z minus a3 by b3. This type of two equations of line are given in the question paper. First of all, we need to compare both the equation of line with this general equation of line. So now here is a1, a2 and a3 is the position vector and b1 and b2 are the direction vector. Equation of line, these two vectors are given, a and b. So if we find the shortest distance, so the two equation of line are given. So first vectors are the oh, vectors of the first equation of line are a1, b1, and vectors of the second equation of line are a2, b2. Now, if we can find this, then we need to put in this formula. Formula for the shortest distance between two lines is this. D is equal to modulus value of A2 minus A1 into dot product of B1 cross B2 over modulus of B1 cross B2. So now, first of all, we need to find A2 minus A1 like this, and after that, we need to find cross product of the direction vector B1 cross B2. And after that we need to find the modulus value and then put all the values in the formula, and we get shortest distance between the two lines. So now we move on the question. Today we will discuss about the question number 34. Find the shortest distance between the lines. X minus 1 divided by 7 is equal to y plus 1 divided by minus 6 is equal to z plus 1 divided by 1, and x minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 5 divided by minus 2 is equal to z minus 7 divided by 1. So now we move on the solution. Given equation of line. First of all, we need to write this line which is given, so write as it is. Given equation of line, and write these two equation of line as it is and mark the number like this. This is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. If you are confusing to finding these position vector and direction vector, you can write here general equation of line. By comparing these equations, find the position vector and direction vector. Here I have write directly position vectors. So first of all we need to write position vector for line 1. For line 1, a1 is equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So here there is plus 1, and in the general equation like this. General equation here is minus, so there is plus. So here is minus 1, minus, minus 1. Due to this, here first value is minus 1. Here is also plus, so here is also minus 1, minus 1. Now direction vector of the line first. 7 minus 6 1 are there. Now position vector for line 2. Here is minus is also present like the formula general equation. So here position vector is 3, here 5 and here 7. If here plus, then it is minus 3. If here minus, then it is plus 3. And B2 is 1 minus 2, 1. So here I have written. After that, we need to write the formula of the shortest distance. Shortest distance between two lines is equal to mode of A2 minus A1 dot product of vector B1 cross B2 over modulus value of B1 cross B2. Here we mark the equation number 3. Now we need to find A2 minus A1 B1 cross B2. Now A2 minus A1. So A2 vector and minus A1 vector. So 3 minus minus 1. So here is minus minus plus. So 3 plus 1, 4. Here is 5 minus minus 1. Minus R here. So minus minus plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 7 minus minus 1 is 8. Now mark the equation number 4. Now we find B1 cross B2. So here write the determinant form and I, J, K are the unit vector along the X, Y, Z directions. So now first of all write the coefficient of the vector B1. B1 vector coefficient क्या है? 7 minus 6 1. 7 minus 6 1. Now the B2 vector 1 minus 2 and 1. So now expand the determinant. Here I have expand the determinant by expanding first row. For calculating the I, first row and first column are hiding and calculate them. Minus 6 multiply 1 minus 2 multiply 1. So here is the value minus 6 and plus 2 are the minus 4. So now for the J, first row and second column are the hide. 7 minus 1, 6. For the K, first row and third column are hide. Minus 14 plus 6. So here are minus 8. So now simplify this calculation. Minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k. So we get B1 cross B2 is equal to minus 4 minus 6 minus 8. Mark the equation number 5. Now we are going to find modulus value. Modulus of B1 cross B2 is equal to under root this first value minus 4 square plus square of minus 6 plus square of minus 8. So square of minus 4 is 16, square of minus 6 is 36, square of minus 8 is 64. Add all of them under root 116. Mark the equation number 6. Now using 4, 5, 6 in equation 3. So all 5, 4, 5, 6 using in the 6. Now equal to this A2 minus A1 is here 4, 6, 8 dot product of B1 cross B2 is this minus 4 minus 6 minus 8. Now the dot product is minus 4 into minus 4 and 6 into minus 6, 8 into minus 8. Same is like this. There is the dot product. And now all the values are minus. All the values are added with the sign minus. And minus sign is cancelled out due to the mode. So now we get 116 over under root 116. Now we write it like as a under root 116 square. So 1 power is cancelled out by the denominator and remaining it under root 116 unit. So here is a distance. So we can write here unit. So this is the shortest distance between the two lines. If you are enjoying our video, then hit the like and subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt in this video, you can comment in our comment section.